So many years in Babylon they tried to break me with chains and oppression, but Jah no forsake me. Them take on me rights, but Jah guide me light. Through the darkest nights, me still hold me fight. In peace and sorrow, me find me truth. Planting seeds for tomorrow for the youth. Breaking these chains of old, me spirit pure and bold. Through the storms and the trials, me never give in. With every struggle, Jah bless me with him. Marcus Garvey in there with we in spirit. But Marley songs keep me soul uplifting. As far as my heart can soar, I'm free like never before. Breaking these chains of old, my spirit pure and bold. In the heart of darkness, Jah light me way. Through every shadow, me find brighter day. Together we rise to ancestral call. Unity our strength, we will never fall. As far as my heart can soar, I'm free like never before. Breaking these chains of old, my spirit pure and bold.